it's Kate with WTI, and if you want to wrap yourself in the most gorgeous blanket, check this one out from Home Down. I am in love with this color. So this is the amber brown. It is a cross between a caramelly, rusty orange color. It's so beautiful, and it complements my leather sofa really well. Now this blanket is hand knitted, so the quality is exceptional. It's made of chenille, so it's super soft. I got it in the twin size, and I do use it as a throw. So I went up a size just so that it would be extra comfy and large. It's very breathable because obviously it's knit, so there's some spaces in between. So it's not super hot, but it's the perfect layering piece. Awesome for reading a book, doing work, or just cozying up on the couch with a movie. You will have a bit of shedding at first, but that all goes away after the first wash. I did lay it out to dry, but then I tumbled it in the dryer for a little bit just to collect all the extra lint. It also has these really adorable tassels all around. Seriously, it is my favorite throw. I am constantly curled up under it. I think you will absolutely be blown away. They have a whole bunch of different colors, but if you choose to take this one, I think you'll be really pleased, and that's my point of view.